Yeah, I'll tell you something about real estate agents. You're either making money or you're making excuses. It's surprising how many agents out there make excuses for themselves without realizing you can use totally free marketing to generate business for yourself. I think you'll agree, once you start getting a couple of closings, problem is not money anymore. You know, you don't have a problem with expenses, you have a problem with income. And if you can just get a little bit of income, if you can get a few closings, that whole problem with expenses or stuff being expensive goes away. It's only expensive because you're broke. So there's a lot of free stuff that you can use from a marketing perspective. Now, you might need to pay a little bit of money to get coached up on how to do it, but the marketing is free and you can start getting some immediate closings so that you can continuously grow your business, and cash flow fixes everything. It opens up more opportunities for you. Hey, hopefully you enjoyed that video and it's been helpful for you. Do me a favor, subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get information on more videos as they become available, and also check out the description below this video so you can see more links that'll be helpful for your business.